There is a dark truth about Indonesia that all travellers know, and that is that the boats here don't mix well with the ocean.
Safety standards in Bali are not what they are here, and when things go wrong, they go really wrong.
A large wave struck a snorkeling boat packed with tourists in Bali.
80 people on a boat that's capsized off Bali.
The word is, on this 4-day boat trip from Lombok to Komodo, is that it's a scam, it's unsafe and a hygiene nightmare. So why risk 4 days of seasickness, anxiety and limited sleep on a deck that might harbour bedbugs? Because this specific kind of journey is exactly why I quit my job and booked a one-way ticket, to step outside of my comfort zone and see the unknown, experience the unreal and truly feel alive. For the next 4 days, I risked it all. Safety, sleep and sanity. Trapped on this boat with 30 complete strangers. I needed to know the truth about this crazy adventure in Southeast Asia. I wanted to form my own travel opinion and find out whether it's just another ploy to make money or the trip of a lifetime. So, my journey starts here over 100 kilometres east from Bali in Mataram, Lombok. At 8 AM, I was collected and taken an hour north to Tanjung port. I'd pre-arranged pickup for my previous activity, but collection is usually possible from anywhere on the island. Whilst waiting for the other guests, I paid my ticket fee, which was 4.2 million for a private shared cabin. I was informed that I'd be sharing a cabin, but not a bed, so that was quite a surprise. The other option was a 3.9 million for a cabin up to 20 people. This includes all meals, activities, and anything else required. Once everyone else had arrived, we began the surprising 3-hour journey to the east of the island, annoyingly passing through Mataram. This came as a shock to me as we were at a port. I assumed we would sail from there. But no. Anyway, let's start the journey. Let's go! After sailing throughout the night, we were awoken by our guides and told to simply jump into the sea. With no bottom in sight and land very far away, my instant reaction screamed no. After some hesitation, I took the leap. And then I saw why. How's that outline? Just been in the water on sunrise, very warm, there's swimming with whale sharks. And though this was a truly beautiful moment, swimming with these giants and feeling the warm morning sun post-swim, I wanted to show the truth of every part of this story. I wanted to show you how they attract the sharks through feedings, making them dependable, the swimming through smelly fish food, the overcrowded waters, all for that one shot. Though it makes for a great experience, it does make you debate the ethics and ask whether this is right. Later that morning, after washing the stank of fish, we set sail with our new friends to the next destination for a little jump and swim. Cue the montage. It's filming now, I'll run. 3 nights we had spent the majority of our time on the boat. However, this island, Komodo National Park, is one of the main reasons 30 strangers crowded onto that tiny boat. But the moment we'd stepped off, the air changed. The jungle wasn't just beautiful, it felt ancient. It felt predatory. We were walking into a place that time forgot, where we were no longer at the top of the food chain. We were told the strict rules of no swimming, no leaving the group, and no straying from the path at any cost. We followed the ranger, who held nothing but a stick against a venomous predator that could kill water. This wasn't a zoo with massive walls to protect us, this was real. And then, just 10 minutes into the silent group anxiety, there it was. And though it was incredible seeing these predators move freely in their natural habitat, my personal experience felt negatively impacted as our trek was cut short due to seeing 4 in a short space. We were then pushed towards unwanted souvenirs with the mass crowds of tourism. I'm on Pink Beach. Long Pink Beach. It's hot. I burned myself, so this is fire protection today. I feel like I look quite cool, but I also know I don't. Now, very pretty, not very pink, but the coral on the inside is all pink. So we're gonna go explore in a bit. I've just had some food, so I'm gonna let that go down and then go in. But it's so lovely here. Taking forever. Where's the food? After a relaxing afternoon on the beach, we headed around the other side of the island for arguably the climax of this trip.
New 7 wonders of nature, guys.
As we began our 800-step climb to the viewpoint for sunset, my excitement grew stronger with each step. This moment is why I came to Indonesia. The months of planning and saving, the dangerous journeys by boats, planes and bikes. This moment, the constant wanting and dreaming, the highs and the lows, all came to this moment. In the evening, after a full day, we celebrated on a private beach in the middle of the ocean. On the final day, after our last night's sleep on the boat, we returned to the beach for snorkeling with turtles, fish, and when I booked the 4-day 3-night tour, I was anxious. I was anxious about the small stuff like conditions of sleeping arrangement, if over-tourism was ruining these magical places, even socialising as I had nowhere to run. I quit my job to travel, to push myself into discomfort and the unknown. Swim in bottomless oceans with gentle giants, fail backflips from tall heights, stare into the eyes of dragons, and find the end goal at Padar. I won't tell you whether or not you should do this tour, as I believe everyone should form their own opinion. All I will tell you is to take that step into the unknown. My travels will continue through Southeast Asia, Australia, Africa and America, so follow along for more adventures. Thank you for watching.